Okay, y'all, so it's me, Alexandria, and today I am going to be doing a dorm tour, finally. I just moved in a couple days ago, and I finally organized my room and everything, so I finally feel like I'm ready to show you what my room looks like. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first come in. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks real messy. Okay, so first things first, I don't have a roommate right now, so that's why this side of the room is kind of like that. Okay, so this is my side of the room, so we're just gonna ignore this side. This is the side where I put like extra junk that I don't have space for. So when you first walk in, you have my dresser, my TV is up there, I have my hair steamer up there, and then I have my shower caddy up there. I have this thing here which stores all my flats, toms, and slides. I got this from Ross. And then here I have this closet that doesn't move, so I actually couldn't move around in it. It just stays here, and it has a built-in drawer system here. Here I put, it's actually a basket here. This has all my scarves, my head scarves, my winter scarves, everything scarf related. I have 3 shoe boxes. These all 3 have my track spikes and some cross-country spikes too. I keep them in boxes because as you know, spikes are really sharp. So I've cut myself a lot of times, so I keep the shoes in the boxes. And then here, of course, I have my clothes. I only put my clothes out I only put my clothes out one season at a time, so now I have pretty much all my summer-ish clothes with a few hoodies in case it gets cold, but mostly all my summer-ish kind of stuff here. And like I said, I have a drawer. I also have another drawer here, so it's 4 drawers. Here I put my tall boots, enough that it can fit. I have a few there. And on top here I have my purses, bags, anything that can fit up there. And then I keep my towel here, and I keep my washcloth underneath it so it can hang to dry. Here I have a little mini picture wall, but I keep a few pictures. I don't really put a lot of pictures, but I keep like a few of them on the wall there. And then here I have part 1 of my shoe rack. It's actually missing the last 2, but I'm about to get those and fill those up with some more shoes. I mostly keep my Uggs here, and I have some dress shoes on the bottom. You can't really see. Okay, so then here is my desk, the top of my desk. Then here on the top, of course, I mentioned before, I do run track. I like to keep all of my track bibs. This is just college. I didn't want to do high school and college. When I came to college, I decided to start fresh with my wall. Otherwise, it'd be like excessive. So this is all my college bibs so far, and some of my conference medals. Well, actually all of my conference medals. And then here I have jewelry. Basically in this little heart box I have earrings, and in this one I have bobby pins. And here I have a little drawer that honestly I just keep whatever can fit inside of it. I have like command strips, glue, sewing stuff, nail filers, razors, Mod Podge, paint. I keep whatever can fit. Then I have just a few decorations. I also have this thing here for like bracelets and stuff like that. And I have this A here, and I have this little like mug that I made. And here I keep, this is my desk. Basically I have some pads here. This actually spins, but there's no space to spin it, but I keep like nail polish. A lot of my beauty stuff, pretty much. I'm not going to go too into detail, but you guys can see kind of what I keep in there. Here is things with pens and pencils, and then I have my lamp, it's a water bottle. Then I keep my track bag here on the chair, so when I wake up I can just grab and go. Here is my hair product bin, each drawer. This one has shampoo and co-wash and conditioner. This one has, these are some herbs. When I used to do like herbal fusions, but I don't really do them that much anymore. But anyway, here also has deep conditioners. This is deep conditioners, oils, butters, and a few herbs in case I want to do like an oil infusion. I had like rosemary, thyme, all that type of stuff, but I really haven't done it in like a year. Here has all my stylers, leave-ins, and yeah, stylers and leave-ins pretty much. And then here on top I have some flexi rods, Have some African black soap here and have some shea butter back there. And then these drawers here, I have, honestly, I just stuff whatever can fit in here, honestly. This one's empty because school hasn't started. Usually I put my textbooks in this one. And then this one has extra school supplies. Not that I ever need them. Getting into my bedding area. If you can't already tell, I have been trying to do a black and white theme. So I DIY'd everything on this wall. Yeah, I'm not gonna get into it. If you have any questions, just ask and I'll like explain how I did it, but I feel like it's gonna take a while. But I did DIY everything there, except here. Oh, I kind of DIY'd my clock a little bit. And then I have my whiteboard here because this is so helpful for me. Like, I will not remember anything if I did not put it on my whiteboard. So anything I really need to remember, I just put it on my whiteboard. And so when I walk into my room, I see my whiteboard and I'm like, okay, I have to do this. Then here I got this bed sheet. I actually got this at Rue 21 like a long time ago, back when I used to work there. I got this from there and I've been using it since my freshman year of college, and honestly, I just haven't felt like changing it. I have white bed sheets under here. Like, fun facts, I never ever make my bed. It's like never ever made. So like my sheets underneath are not actually made. I never make my bed. It's really bad. I have some silk pillowcases here because that's important. And then I have my wastebasket here. I have another shoe rack here. I mostly keep sneakers in here. This is supposed to be sneakers. And underneath everything under here, which you can't really see, but it's pretty much all behind this thing. Behind my shoe rack is all my storage, my luggage, and everything like that. Like you can see here, like behind that is pretty much where I keep all my storage stuff. Then here is like quick access stuff, food, keep my cereal, everything I want like right by my bed so that I can like, anything I want in arm's reach, I put right here. It has disinfecting wipes, sandwich bags, dishwashing soap, laundry detergent. This is an ironing pad, pretty much sponges, baby wipes. Here I keep some napkins, some bread. I used to keep bananas here, but I ran out. Bowls, what is this, peanut butter, you know, food. Then I have my fridge here. And I have this nice little rug here that I actually got at Ross. It's so soft. And I have my trash bag, my trash can, which I need to put a bag in. And that so far is, oh, and these lights here. I have my lights going from wall to wall because I like how it looks like that. I'm going to insert a clip of how this looks at night. It looks so gorgeous at night. Like when it's like nighttime and I turn these lights on, it looks so beautiful. So I'm going to insert a clip of what that looks like. And so this is everything in my room. Because of how busy I am, my room is literally never clean and organized. It is for the most part, but it's never like spotless. But this is everything so far. Oh, and we do have a little mirror here, but they put that little evacuation sign in the middle of the mirror, and I'm actually really mad, and I'm really gonna try to figure out how to take it out because it ruins my mirror. But oh, I have my broom and dust pan here, and